Hi there, my name is Andres, and in this video I will go through the 3 different methods that you can use to pay your tuition fees from here, within Canada. First, of course, you need to know the amount of tuition fees that you're required to pay. To do so, log into my Humber, click the Student Account and Fees tab, then click on Tuition and Fees Quote, and finally on View Fee Quote. So, let's get to the point. There are 3 different ways of paying these fees inside Canada. First, through your local bank app. Second, in person by visiting a branch. Or third, through my Humber portal. If you want to do it online, simply enter your bank portal and select the option Bill Payments or Select Bill. Enter Humber College as the payee and type your Humber number as your account number. Siri, is my Humber number the one that begins with an N?
Yes, that's right.
After that, simply enter the rest of the details to complete the transaction. For in-person payments, visit your local branch and ask the bank teller to help you make a tuition payment to Humber College. Similar to the online option, use your Humber student number as your account reference number. Finally, you can pay through my Humber. Log in using your credentials, click the Student tab, Student Account and Fees, and finally, click on Account Details for term Humber College Receipt. Choose the term you want to make a payment for and click Submit. The amount in account balance is the amount you need to pay. Click on Pay Now, type the amount, and click on Submit. Enter all the required information, and finally, click on Process Transaction. You can also pay with more than one credit card. Simply follow the steps as shown before, and enter the amount you want to charge to each of your credit cards in every transaction. You would have to do the math to make sure that you're paying the total amount of your tuition, but hey, we trust you on that. No matter which option you choose, please keep in mind the different deadlines and processing times, so don't forget to plan accordingly. If you have further questions, go to this link or visit us in person at the International Center. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now that you have paid your tuition, it's time to register for classes. See you on the next one. Bye!